Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back, everyone. It's Monday, and we are starting it off with DXY on a daily time frame. As you can see, we are above the 200 EMA, and we are pulling back right now. And this is basically at the resistance that we were expecting. Third time we're meeting this level. What we want to do is open and close above this level, start going sideways here, and then we will see the next level of us to go test into the resistance over here at 104 to 105. And then after that, we'll go to 107. Uh, First is us claiming this 104, 105 level after a couple, like one or two candle open and closes over here at 104, 103 at the lowest. Okay. If today we do get a push down under that 103 and we get to this 102.60, I'm okay with that as long as we don't go under that level, and opening and closing in this level will give us an opportunity to break back above that 200 in a couple days, basically. Now, as we are putting in the top local high of Dixie, we will probably be putting in the local bottoms of Bitcoin and ETH. That's why we got that nice large push to the downside, even though it was largely caused by only one trader with a large position in ETH. But what will happen now is as we're putting in the local lows on Bitcoin, ETH, and tech stocks, they should trickle up a little bit as Dixie comes and finds this consolidation in the zone. Once the consolidation is done, if we don't open and close underneath this 102.60, I'll be looking for those local lows to be probably making another low, a lower low on those other stocks and crypto if Dixie can't open and close underneath this level. If we just open and close above it and we just leg back up, you will be basically in a trap of longs that are trying to buy the dip, and it just dips lower. Because that one guy caused such a big splash, I think it's going to take another day or two for other people to adjust with their trades accordingly. Uh, that's basically all I have to say about Dixie. Let's go now to Bitcoin. Where's now the lag starts? There is Bitcoin. Psychological 25 on the previous videos. Hey, open interest is climbing. We are not going up. More and more people are stacking longs. We need to flush the OI before we look up. Even the pattern of the lows before the upside route is pretty quick, and then upside coming with each. But what we did was we had basically a little minor capitulation event right to support due to many over leveraged people being pushed out of the trade. Now those people usually just get back into the trade, and they're expecting it to just like moon on up. That's as highly as I would like that myself. More than likely you're gonna find resistance here at 27,000 for another leg down if you even get to 27. First, let's see if we can get to 26,400 and get an open and close, a 4 hour open and close above it. As of right now, I don't think we're getting there, and I do think this price inefficiency of this wick will get tested. And once we consolidate into this wick and we can show that, hey, the low is going to be supported by buys, then we will probably look for some upside. Until then, I'm looking for a trickle down, kind of like this. And we are caught in the bearish control zone. So yeah, that's my thoughts on Bitcoin. Even though Dixie is coming off the highs and we're getting a little bit of a upside opportunity, I think it's going to be a dead cat bounce and just roll on over to much lower levels. All the people who are longing, they might get a short opportunity to get out and profit, but more than likely it's going to be a very short-lived and another leg down is what I would be presuming. So that's that. Now let's basically go to ETH. And that is where the most damage was done. ETH was consolidating for like a $10, $20 range, and then $300 drop. And yeah, I mean that buy up was another $200. This whole move was about $400 or $500. I don't think that this is confirmed as support yet. I do think this massive wick is going to get tested, and that's due to that one dude getting liquidated with 40 some million, and he had basically 30% of the open interest uh, on ETH futures. I think it was on Binance. So yeah, this is what happens when too much of the asset is in one person's hand, and all the other people who want to sell this, they probably can't sell it because their stuff is in a stake. So they have to unstake it and then panic sell. So we have some time of consolidation to consider going through before we're looking for just a reversal to the upside. So just please be aware of that moving forward, guys. Until you get a 4-hour open and close above 1700, we're not looking for 1750 or 1800. If we get another shorting opportunity from 1780, I would probably take it because 1780 was my long scalp opportunity. Since that broke down and went even lower, now I would be using that as a flip of support into resistance and as a shorting opportunity for us to fill in this wick, basically. Even if we get a little bit of upside, I'm not looking for too much higher than 1740 because more than likely people will short or sell because the people who are still in their trade and are getting their funds access will probably sell at a lighter loss than if they, I mean, if this thing starts breaking this 1650, you will see more people panic selling quicker to get out and then rebuy later. So that is basically all I have for you guys for Bitcoin, ETH, and Dixie. If you guys have any questions or concerns, leave it in the comment section below. If you guys could leave me a like, subscribe, press the bell button for notifications if you haven't already, I would greatly appreciate it. It helps this channel grow and gets us in the eyes of other people, so that's greatly, greatly appreciated. Last but not least, if you are interested in trading with me live, feel free to join me on the Discord server. The link to the server is in the description of the video below, alongside all other affiliate services that I use and recommend that helps this channel grow. So thank you once again. And aside from that, guys, I hope you guys have a great day, have a great week, and trade carefully. If you need me, I'll be in the Discord server. Once again, link in the description of the video. Thank you so much. Talk to you soon. Have a great one. Happy Monday.